All right. So here's the first clue. So the clues are coming from biblical references, right? So they ate and were filled, and they took up 7 large baskets of leftover fragments. And I'll give you help, or else I don't think you're gonna figure. Okay, first of all, what do you think is the key word here? You might not get it, but see if you can figure out what the key word is. Anybody want to guess?
Leftover.
No, not leftover. Nope.
Ate.
They ate and were filled.
Filled.
Nope. Nope.
7
Nope.
baskets.
Yes, who got baskets? Who's that?
Marisha.
Marisha, yes, baskets. Now, by the way, if you know my poetry, please don't be cheating, huh? Right, baskets. Now, why do you think I associate baskets with the old-time days?
Market.
Yes?
There's an old tradition with the baskets.
Yes, what?
Yes, they always fill in baskets with food and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And even like the markets, I remember in South, where the Blind Association, they make a lot, we do a lot of baskets to be sold and stuff like that. So I remember that from when I was younger.
That is true. The main thing is the basket. And do you know why I associate that with the old-time days? It's something that I remember from the old-time days.
Put the basket on the head?
Yes, that is it. Okay. You get the coloring page for this
So
one.
grandmother always actually think I never touched the head, but she died out.
That.
She always put the thing and touched the head.
Yes, exactly. That's exactly it. So this is the, the image that this is a coloring page, by the way. You're going to get this coloring page, right? I hope you like the color. So let me play this. It's read. This poem is read actually by 3 people: Relon Brown, Liana Brown, and Marisha would know Relon and Liana, and also a young lady by the name of, what is her name? It's Marisha. I wonder if you remember her. She was at Elijah Center for some years, but I don't think she's still there. East Indian young lady. Oh, why is her name slipping me? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't. Oh my goodness. I will put her name below the video because I want her to be acknowledged, but she was kind enough to do the recording, help me do the recording for this. And you'll understand why when you hear the poem. So let me play it for you.
The Basket Song, Part 1, Journeying Together. 2 ladies strolling side by side. They walk with a careful, elegant stride, balancing baskets that poise their gait. From Africa and India they hail. Chatting like friends as they walk along, they soon break into a chanting song.
What in your basket, Dulahin? Dance and let your ankle bells sing. Palms together, now let your neck glide as your jewelry jangles out our island pride. I have Chinese food from Ling Pao shop, bundles and piles of Syrian cloth. I have orange peel chai and nice bush tea, and shaks for sweet parang melodies. And what about you, mommy nice child? What in your basket could make we smile? Spread your skirt, now fall and rise, and dance as the bongo greets paradise. I have conch and crab from Crusoe's Isle, pomsite, chow, and boiled chatine, mud oven baked cassava bread just for you, Portuguese portions and healing brews.
They sing, laugh, and stepping dance, and linking arms, lightly clap their hands. 2 ladies strolling side by side. They walk with a careful, elegant stride, balancing baskets that poise their gait. From Africa and India they hail. They chat like friends as they walk along. their warmth and acceptance a perfect song. They balance their baskets with poise and grace, a sweet contentment lighting each face.
Well, I have to say, Simone Rell stormed the fete today because she is a first timer and she's the first one to win the coloring page, right? So I don't know. Just explain the poem. I don't know if you realize it's, you know, there are two ladies strolling. Well, anybody wanna say what picture the poem painted for you? What picture did you get?
For me, I saw two women, an African woman and an Indian woman.
Yes.
And, you know, they're both strolling, going or returning from the market.
Right.
And they are, you know, sharing their culture with each other.
Right.
So she talks, the Indian one talks about, you know, the dance, the jingles on her legs and the jewelry,
Right.
and the hands and the neck movement. So you
Right.
got the idea of a Indian dancer.
Right.
And when the African one came, when she spoke about, you know, the ballet dance, the
Yeah.
ballet dancer. Yeah,
Nice.
I found it very interesting.
Very nice. Very nice. So they each have a basket on their head. Now, by the way, I don't know if in the East Indian community, the East Indian woman did this as well. I know I always saw like women who almost look like Baptist women, like their clothing looked like Baptist. So I don't remember seeing East Indian woman doing this, but for the sake of the poem, I introduced an East Indian character, right? And in their baskets, they both between themselves have different elements of the main ethnic groups of
And the
Trinidad and
aprons with the
Tobago.
frills to
Yeah,
tie around the waist.
correct. Yes, you remember good. Yes, exactly. So I mean, this poem is really about the unity, racial unity in Trinidad and Tobago, right? Let me see. Oops. Right. So I decided to include one of our common sayings to go along with the poem. So I don't know if people know this one. One does full basket. I don't know if that's from Tobago. One does full basket. I think it means little by little and you'll get there. All of we is one family, right? All of we is one
Yeah.
family. All right.